In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Jira Cloud with Microsoft 365 Copilot so you can manage your projects and track issues right from your chat window. To get started, open your web browser and sign in to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center using an administrator account. This part is important because standard user permissions usually won't allow you to install or configure organization-wide integrations. Once you're signed in, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct admin environment before moving on. Next, navigate to the Integrated Apps section. In most Microsoft 365 setups, you'll find this under the Settings menu on the left-hand side. This is where you manage third-party apps and services that connect with your Microsoft 365 workspace. If the layout looks slightly different in your tenant, don't worry. The naming is usually very similar. From there, click the Get Apps button and search for the official Jira integration for Microsoft 365 Copilot. Be sure to choose the official app so you get the proper compatibility, support, and security expected for a business environment. When you find the Jira app in the search results, select it and click the Deploy or Get It Now button to begin the installation. During this stage, Microsoft 365 may take a few moments to load the setup page, so give it a second if needed. You'll then be shown the permissions required by the app. Review these carefully, and when you're ready, click Accept to allow Microsoft 365 to connect with external services. This step enables the integration to access the information it needs in order to surface Jira content inside Copilot. Now open a new browser tab and sign in to your Atlassian Jira Cloud account as an administrator. On the Jira side, go to Settings, select Applications, and then choose Application Links to create a new connection. This is the area where Jira establishes trusted relationships with other platforms. In the connection setup, enter the URL of your Microsoft 365 environment. This creates the secure handshake between Jira Cloud and Microsoft 365 so both platforms can recognize and trust the integration. After that, return to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center, enter your Jira domain details, and complete the remaining authentication steps. Follow the prompts carefully since this is what finalizes the link between both services. Once everything is connected, open Microsoft Teams or your Copilot app and type a prompt to test the integration. Try asking Copilot to retrieve your Jira issues and confirm that the results appear correctly. If they do, your setup is complete. Thank you for watching this guide and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials on boosting your daily productivity.